you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited that the extra large Beautylish box for 2024 just arrived. Would you like to know what's in my box and see how lucky I am? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So this year I was able to snag the extra large box. This actually did arrive last week, but I was on a much needed, well overdue vacation to California to go see my mom. I literally, like an hour ago, just got home. I had a red-eye flight. I left on Sunday and I arrived here on Saturday. I have not slept or anything. So I saw this sitting here and I'm like, what? Before I start putting all my stuff away and taking a shower and doing what I really need to be doing, I want to know what is inside of this box. So no sleep. Here we go. Let's see what's inside. For this year, there were a few extra, I think a few different boxes that you can choose from. So they had an original fair to medium skin tone for $75. They had an original dark to deep for $75. Or they had a buy one, give one for the dark to deep for $150. So you get one for yourself and you're gifting one to another's being donated. Then there's a get one, gift one fair to medium, same price, $150. And then they had what I got, which is the extra large size. You do not get to choose a skin tone on that one. It's just the extra large box. This was $150. Shipping was in addition to all of these pricing. They also had an original Jeffree Star Cosmetics for $75. They had an extra large Wayne Goss fair to medium for $150 and an extra large Wayne Goss dark to deep for $150. So this time there was like Wayne Goss options and all of that. So there were a few other options to choose from. And again, I got the extra large for $150. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what is inside. So then I can go and start doing what I need to do. I was just too excited. I'm like, I gotta know what's inside of here right about now. Doing pretty good for not having no sleep though. Let's see. Ooh, look at the tissue paper, like the paper that it's wrapped in this year. I always save it because you can use it for scrapbooking or to rewrap something or anything like that. And it has the little sticker and then it has this little tag on there as well. Isn't that super cute? Let's pull the little tag off. It says, the dragons on this year's lucky bag symbolizes good luck and fortune, along with power and change. We hope these surprises offer you moments of self-love that help you tap into your power for 2024. So Lucky Bag 2024 by Beautylish. So let's go ahead and dive in. Again, this is really cute paper. It even has like little nail polish and lipstick on there, like in between all of the images. That is super, super cute. I've saved the paper on every single one that I've purchased so far. So there's a little, not so much of a sneak peek. Okay, so everything looks like it's all down inside of here. And so you can see like this is the size of the paper and you can reuse it or repurpose it, use it for wrapping paper, something like that. But I love to repurpose than to throw away. So I'm super excited about that. Okay, so the first item that I'm pulling out is by Good Molecules and it's the Hydrating Facial Cleansing Gel. It's a gentle cleanser to leave skin feeling balanced and hydrated. And it comes in this package right here. So a hydrating cleansing gel. I always clean my face every single day, so I'm always excited to get stuff that I use in my normal routine. That is a really nice large size as well. And it just says directions, dispense a small amount into palms and massage onto face to create a light lather. Avoid contact with eyes. So what I will do is use like my cleansing balm first so I can get all my eye makeup off, and then I will use this to cleanse my face as my second step. So I'm super excited. Next up, we have a product by Holly Frog. It says Daily Mineral Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 30. I love me some sunscreen. I always tell you guys that. I have them everywhere, especially now like that I get like Stylovana that sends me one like almost every single month. I have sunscreen everywhere. And that is the packaging. It's a nice large package though, I give it that. And it has that type of a pump dispenser on it. So you have a sunscreen. I always say protect our skin from the sun. I always say that. Next we have is a Pure Silk Shiny Scrunchie. It's by Slip. I don't really use these, so I'll probably put this in a future giveaway pile because I do have a few of them that I don't even use. So I might as well just put this in a future giveaway pile so maybe somebody else will be able to use it. So there is that. Next up is a brush. It's just one single brush here. And I don't know what brand. It says ONIAG. Oh, there's an S in front of it. So, oh, Sonia G. The S has like a little fancy little lines on it, so it didn't look like an S. And it says Worker M, Japan. And that is what it looks like. And then on the packaging, all it does say is Fundamental Worker M. So there is that brush right there. Next up we have is the Essential Lip Pencil by Wayne Goss. And it is in the color of Cinnamon. Let's see what this looks like. I normally don't do anything with my lips, so I don't know if I will keep this or pass this down, but it looks like it might be like this color right here. Like it's like a brownish burgundy color, cinnamon. And that is what it looks like. Again, I don't do anything with my lips, so I don't know. I'll probably just pass this down to one of you guys to enjoy because I know I won't use it. But there is a lip liner by Wayne Goss. Next we have is by RMS Beauty. It says Lip Lights, and it is in the color of Rhapsody. Looks like that might be a really pretty color. I normally, again, still don't do anything with my lips, but some colors I might keep just in case. This is a different packaging though. Yeah, I probably won't use it like this, so I will put this in a future giveaway for one of you guys. I don't even want to open it and see what color it is, but just with this type of like a, I know I won't use this. If it was like a lipstick, I might have looked at it and maybe, but I know I won't use this type of a product. So I will go ahead and just put this right in my future giveaway. And it just says Lip Lights. A skin nourishing, dewy texture, 3-in-1 layer of glow that works as a treatment balm, a sophisticated gloss, and a suitable volumizer. So maybe it's not really like a color, but either way, I'm still gonna save it for you guys. Next we have something by Verb. It says Ghost Oil, Shine plus Smooth Frizz plus Weightless Hair Oil. This I might actually use because my hair does get super frizzy. Like, oh my gosh, even like earlier no, I guess I can't say this morning because I flew all night. Yesterday morning when I was at my mom's, I hung her cameras and stuff like outside, and it was just, my hair went, I was like, oh nice, this is lovely. This is lovely. So I might use this and see, but normally I don't put stuff in my hair, but I might try this and see how it works and see if that will help with calm my frizzes down. So there's that product. Next we have, it says Eye Enhancing Beauty Secret Kit. It says Color Chameleon in award-winning Pillow Talk and new matte shade. So it's by Charlotte Tilbury. It says Pillow Talk and Smoky Pillow Talk. So here is the packaging, and that's what they look like inside. So it looks like it's going to be like these two colors right there. This one's actually kind of pretty. This one looks a little too light for my liking, but here are the two different colors. With these, I don't know what I'm going to do with them, if I'm going to keep them or pass them down to you guys. More than likely, they will probably end up in a future giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy. But there is the two-piece set by, again, Charlotte Tilbury. And we have the Eye Enhancing Beauty Secrets Kit. Secrets Kit. So then next up, we have a small eyeshadow palette. So it looks like that. And it looks like that's going to be the colors back there. They look like they're all lighter colors, so I might actually put this in a future giveaway pile as well. I like to have at least a dark color in there to do, like, you know, deepen it out. But we'll see. Here is the actual packaging out of the box. So it looks like you just pull this up. It does have like one darker color in the corner. So I don't know if I would keep it to try to make a look with these colors, or if I'll just put that in a future giveaway pile as well. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with that. It definitely doesn't look like this packaging, or this. So if that's the colors that I'm supposed to have, that is definitely not what this is. That does not look the same whatsoever, but it does say the same brand, but these are not the same colors that are on here at all. So I don't know what happened there, but that is this palette right there. So there's that. I'll slide it right back in here until I figure out what I'm going to do with it. So there's that. And then the last item is this palette right here. The packaging looks stunning. I've never heard of this brand before. I don't know if it's Danisa or Danisa Myricks Beauty. I'm not quite sure. Again, I've never heard of this brand before, but that packaging is stunning with like, it looks like a geode. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Ooh, it actually follows it on the inside and it's actually protected here. It's like a metal plaque. Is it must be, is this a good brand, you guys? I've never heard of this before. So this is what it looks like. Again, it even has like a little plastic covering this little metal part there. And then when we open her up, ooh, this is definitely different. And it looks like it's all shimmers, and this is not something that I would use. So I guess I'm gonna put this in a future giveaway pile as well. But that is what the colors look like. And they're all shiny, like shimmery. I only use like a shimmery color on my lower lid and everything else is matte shades, and there's no matte shades in here. So to me, it doesn't make sense to save this because I'll never use it. So I'd rather it just go for one of you guys to enjoy. But it says like softened energy, bold energy, and then grounding energy for like each row. I guess that's supposed to like represent the colors. And it does have a large mirror right on top. So that is everything that came in my lucky bag. I got this palette that I would not use, this palette that I'm probably not going to use. We have a 2-piece lip set that I'm probably passing down to you guys, a Wayne Goss lip liner that I'm probably passing down to you guys. There is this lip product that I'm passing down to one of you guys. We have the slip hair scrunchie that I'm passing down to one of you guys. I have this one single brush that I'm not quite sure if this is going in my pile or your guys' pile. We have this ghost oil that I might try out to see if it will work for my hair. And the only thing that I know for a fact that I will be using is this face cleanser, and then I guess maybe this SPF sunscreen. So that is everything to me for what I use, because I don't use like a whole lot of makeup, and again, I'm more into mattes. This was not a very lucky bag for me, paying $150 with only keeping this and this, because I mean, I don't need this, but I gotta keep something that I paid $150 for. So to me, this was not a very lucky bag, but you know, that's the luck of the draw when you get a mystery bag. It could be good, it could be bad, it could be mediocre. You never know. That's the whole point of a mystery. What did you guys think? Because again, everybody is different. You might love all of these like shiny, shimmery colors and all these lip products, because again, I don't do anything with my lips. That's just my own personal preference. But yeah, I think they're great products, just not for me products. What do you guys think? Comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Do you think this was worth the $150? Plus, I think it was $20 extra for shipping, or $25 or something like that. $20 for shipping. So I paid $170 total for this box. Let me know what you think. Do you think I was lucky? Would you have been lucky if you got this box? Comment down below and let me know. Again, your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.